Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another natural facial care routine. I did one on turmeric facial care. Today I'm going to be doing tomato face. I'll be using this tomato. You just need to cut it into half. I just need half of it. The rest of it you can eat it or use it for cooking. So this is what I'm working with. My face is clean. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply this. No science, nothing. It's just application. So there are so many benefits of applying tomato on your face. One is they help in fighting sunburns. If you've gone to the beach and then you get those weird sunburns on your face, this is something that can work for you. Another thing is they help in fighting wrinkles. Who wants wrinkles on their face? Not me. I'm sure you don't want it either. So using tomato face, using tomato on your face regularly will help in fighting wrinkles and fine lines. Tomatoes are also good in wound healing. You know, sometimes after popping a pimple, they just leave a wound there. So applying tomatoes on your face will help it heal quicker. It also helps in hyperpigmentation. If you don't know what hyperpigmentation is, it's when the face has blemishes and you want to clear it. Application of tomatoes regularly will also help you in fighting that. Yeah. So another thing is tomatoes are very good moisturizers. You know, everyone needs a good moisturizer just to have your skin supple, to have it looking youthful. Yeah, at the end of the day, age comes, everyone will age, but we have to fight it as much as we can. At least I am. Yeah, so I think this is the simplest method or the simplest facial mask that you can do. So guys, you can try it out and tell me what you found. Try it for a week if you have any issues with your face and you'll see a difference. So I'll just leave it to stay for around 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll rinse it off and I'll come back. As you wait for the mask to dry, why not eat the other half? You know, eating raw tomatoes have lots and lots of benefits, but that's a topic for the next time. Today we're just concentrating on applying it on our face. The mask is dry. That's why I told you this mask, you can basically sleep with it because you can't even notice the difference. You can tell that I still have the mask on apart from this teeny tiny seed left on my face. So let me go wash and then I'll be back. I've just washed my face. Now I'm on to moisturizing. So today I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to be applying my vitamin C by Dr. Russell or Dr. Rachel. Yeah, and this vitamin C, I love it because it contains hyaluronic acid, which is good for anti-aging, brightening, firming, repair, and improve skin elasticity. So let's apply. I'm almost out, but it is what it is, guys. I don't know why my sounds like it's going away. I'm not going to apply anything else because I want to go to bed. For me, little products or a few products on my face mean more. You'll also notice that I like massaging my face. I just don't want fine lines or wrinkles on my face. Yeah, so I'm ready. I love my skin the way it is. I hope it improves and becomes even better, but for now I appreciate what I have. So yeah, so if you really enjoyed this video, kindly leave a thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Help me grow this channel and I'll forever be grateful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.